Today I'm going to show you how to create a landing page. It's 40% conversion rate or bust. That's how I look at it. Let's get to it. Last week I ran a series that showed you how to find a great niche to sell in, how to find quality products in that niche, and how to generate free traffic for your offers. It's everything a beginning affiliate marketer needs to get started. There's a link in the description to the whole series with a bonus video that talks about my top converting products. Check it out. The main goal of a landing page is to build a list and get people into that sales funnel. Building a list is a huge part of affiliate marketing, and long-term success in affiliate marketing kind of requires that you become a master at building a list. And that means creating a quality landing page that converts. I use Builderall to create my landing pages. You can use any website builder you want. Builderall is just what I happen to use because it encompasses all the tools that an affiliate marketer might need. If you're interested, there is a link to a 7-day trial. You can check it out for yourself. Or if you want to become a part of my affiliate team, there is a link to the 1 Million Entrepreneur Challenge down below as well. You can click that link and get all kind of bonuses from me to you. Check it out if you're interested. Let's hop right into Builderall and I'll show you how to build this page. Here we are in Builderall, and the first thing I'm going to do is go to Builders, and then we're going to go to Drag and Drop Pixel Perfect. I'm going to select the sales funnels here, and they have a bunch of pre-made sales funnels already built. So why reinvent the wheel? We already know these work. The funnel that I'm going to select is the bridge funnel. The reason why I select the bridge funnel here is because it is really the best kind of funnel for just starting out as an affiliate marketer. It's very simple. You can watch the video here. It'll tell you all about how this funnel works. We're just going to go down here and go ahead and edit this template. Now the example I'm going to use today is to promote a product called Unlock Your Hips. It is actually a product that's meant to help people who have problems with back and all sorts of other issues by unlocking the power of strengthening their hip muscles. You can see on the page they actually write pretty good copy here. So what we're going to do for our hook is we're going to take the copy that they already have written here, and we're going to use some of that to create our hook. Now the whole point of a headline is to get them to read on, so don't put your entire sales copy in your headline. Alright, in our case we're going to take this headline here. Defeated by pain, frustrated with belly fat, and struggling to feel energized every day. We're just going to copy that out right there, and we're going to paste that into our headline. Now I'm not going to beautify this up just right now. We're going to get to that. We're just going to get the text in there first, and then we're going to make it all pretty. But for now that's going to be our headline. We may come up with something better, but when you're writing this stuff, it's kind of fluid. So at first, when we start, we're just going to take what the company gives us because they spent time to create those headlines, and they must work. Usually they do. Once you have an awesome hook that draws them into that sub-headline, you're going to use the desire, problem, benefit method in order to create your subtitle. So what that means is that you're going to be speaking directly to your user about a benefit, a problem, or a desire as it pertains to the product that you're offering, so that you entice them to click on and get the solution when they click and leave their email address. That is the purpose of the subheadline. So you want to use a desire, a problem, and or a benefit. In our case, we're going to use the benefits of our system to show the user that they can just click on that button and get the solution. To do this, I'm going to return to the ad copy for the Unlock My Hips, and we're going to go through the benefits that they list here and summarize them in our subheadline. So you can see here that basically they're talking about how your tight hip flexors can negatively affect so many things in your life. And of course, they are going to reveal to you 10 key moves that will loosen up your hip flexors and change everything. Now I think we can probably use something along this lines right here that summarizes what you do, but you want to get the benefits. We want to look at the benefits. So you see our hip flexor engines through which our body moves. They control the balance and ability to sit, stand, twist, reach, bend, and walk and step. In this copy right here, they are basically going through the problem method. They are telling you the problems. All right, so this right here is probably what we're looking for. We're going to go and we're going to take that and we're going to paste this right here. Boom. Now I know this does not look very attractive, but if you could see here, you've got defeated by pain, frustrated by belly fat, and struggling to feel energized every day. Unlock your hip flexors gives you a practical, easy to follow program you can use today that instantly releases your hip flexors for more strength, better health, and all day energy. So essentially we're saying you've got these problems. Well, this hip flexor, but unlock your hip flexors gives you all these things back in return. And all you have to do is click on this button right here to get the solution. And that's how this works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to really quickly pretty this up. Okay, so you can see here I am finished configuring the page up. I think I can probably rewrite some of the copy better, but for the purposes of time here, you can see you've got your hook. Defeated by pain, frustrated with belly fat, and struggling to feel energized every day. And a little bit of the benefits that you get from this product. Unlock your hip flexors gives you practical, easy to follow program you can use today for instantly releasing your hip flexors for more strength, better health, and all day energy. You want your email, your first name. You want to make sure that the button colors are kind of coordinated. I just grabbed these little icons off of the actual Unlock Your Hip Flexors website. They're just a screen cap. Popped them in here. That way we have a little bit of color. We can hit the preview button, see exactly what these puppies look like. Now the only thing that you have to do really in this whole process is go ahead and take this and configure it up with your particular mailing program. In this case, Builderall has one built in. I just use Mailing Boss. If I do this, it will actually create a funnel copy for me right here, Bridge Funnel Copy 2, and it's all set up and ready for me to go. So that's how you create this landing page right here. Let me show you what happens after the user clicks on this. So that would take them to the bridge page. All right, so here on the bridge page, you're gonna have to do a little bit of work. I know. But it really helps to understand what your product is and what your market is. If you're not already promoting something that you use every day, you want to go out there and purchase the product. You're going to use the same headline, sub-headline philosophy here in your bridge page. In this video, you should be talking about the benefits of this product and how you've used it and how it's changed your life, or whatever you know to be the problem of most users out there that this product solves. That's what you want to talk about in this short video. Doesn't have to be 2 hours long. You want to be talking about the product and how it helps to solve the problems that your viewers are already having. Then if you go down here, you've got your subheadline again, a little bit more information about the product. When they click next, it should take them to the landing page so that they can make a purchase. So here, down here on the bottom, before you put your link in there that's going to take them to the sales page, this is where you want to put in your bonuses. Now I know, I get it. Creating bonuses is a pain in the butt. But you've already used the product. Now, let's just say for the hip flexors product, we know we're looking for people who are interested in exercising, getting in better shape and better health. You could easily go out there, do a Google search for quality recipes for people trying to lose fat, for people trying to do something in the health related niche. You can do a search, you can find a couple of different recipes, put them in a PDF, make it all pretty, boom, stick it in there, one of your bonuses. You could include all kinds of different information as it pertains to the health niche. If this is your niche, you should have ideas of what sort of bonuses these folks would be looking for. This is not personally my niche. So I can have some ideas, but I know that putting together these PDFs can seem like a daunting task. But you want to have probably at least 3 bonuses that you're going to offer. These sorts of things are what entice the viewer to buy from you. And that's the big thing. They're going to buy from you because they like your little video here. They're going to get these bonuses if they sign up through you. Hey, make the bonuses interesting. Now, a word of caution here. Don't plagiarize somebody else's content, okay? Go out there and derive content from other people's items and ideas and theories if you have to. If you don't have anything written on your own, there's nothing wrong with that. But take it and put it in a PDF in your own words. You can take the person's recipe and use that, but make sure that you put your own words. Make sure you structure it in a way that's unique to you and your personal style. You know, a good recipe is a good recipe. So you don't have to feel bad about doing something like that. What you have to feel bad about is just plagiarizing someone's page. That's not what you should be doing. You're not really offering any value because they could search for that anyways. You want to take a recipe and put your own little spin on it with your own little information in your PDF. That's what's going to endear you to the folks that buy stuff from you. And if you're working in the health niche all the time, or you're working in the exercise niche, or whatever you want to call it, people are going to buy from you and they're going to like the bonuses and they're going to come back. So make your bonuses count. Put them in your own words. Put them in your own style. People like that stuff. All right, so you can see how this process works. You land a person by offering them a product that you know they're going to be interested in, because let's face it, they opt in. Your headline and your subheadline tells them what they're going to get. They click that, they give you your email address. Inside on the bridge page, you want to make sure that your video offers them value, tells them about the product and the benefits that they can find or that you found from using that product. In the bonuses, you want to offer them extra things that pertain to the product or the niche of the original product. And boom, they're going to click. They want your bonuses. They like you. They saw your video. They thought you were awesome. That's the way it works. The main thing here, guys, is keep it simple. You can see we're talking headline catches them. Subheadline offers a benefit or a problem or a desire to the user as it pertains to the product. Boom, they get in there. You tell them about the product. You tell them how you used it and it saved your life, or it changed your life, or it makes their life easier in relation to the problem they're having, or whatever the benefit is to the particular product that you are offering. And boom, you create valuable bonuses. And don't hesitate to spend some time on this. You don't have to create bonuses 100 times over. You only have to create them once. So take the time and do it right. Create bonuses that are going to add value to your customer's purchase, and they're going to come back and purchase from you again. If learning about affiliate marketing is something you're into, or any other form of YouTube growth, well, that's what we do here on Video Content Marketing. So consider elevating your strategy and subscribe to the channel. And ring that bell so you know when I have new content coming out. And this YouTube gig is hard sometimes, guys, so be good to your fellow YouTuber. What goes around comes around. My name is Michael Feyrer Jr. This is Video Content Marketing. Market like a boss. VCM out of here.